Sweet. All right, let's see here. All right, let's see. Oh, hey, my friends. It's me, Handyman Hal. Hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. We're here on the farm, and it's such a beautiful day. But we did have a storm last night, and there were some heavy winds. They knocked over some trees, over some paths, so we got to get around the farm today. So we got to get those trees up. We get to use some equipment like this tractor. But first, we've got to check the oil. Yep, oil's a really, really important part to this heavy machinery. Here we go. Get that cap off there. Got this oil dipstick here. We just need to clean that off first. Stick that back in there. Let's see. Let's check this. Oh yeah, it looks great. All right, so we're all set there. Let's get that cap back on. Let's see. There you go. Awesome. Yeah, we're all set. Let's go take care of those trees. Come on. All right, here we go. Hop in here. Safety first. Seatbelt. Sweet. Perfect. All right, let's get to work. Oh, keys in there. Perfect. Oh, look, it's the horses. Hey there, horses. Y'all having a good day? Yep, it's gonna be a great day. Let's get to work. Oh yeah. Wow, my friends, look. This tree was bigger than I expected. It's dead, for sure. No wonder the wind blew it over. Oh wow, well it's certainly blocking the path. So we gotta get it cleared up. All right, so like this right here. Get that out the way. Perfect. All right, now, this large tree. Yep. Think I'm gonna need my chainsaw. We can slice this right down the middle, and then we can use the tractor to push it out of the way. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, so let me go get my chainsaw. Oh, and some safety gear. Come on, let's go. Oh, yes. Here we go. All right, my friends, we're all set and ready to take care of this fallen tree. Yep, I've got my chainsaw. And of course, remember, chainsaws are really sharp. Always make sure there's an adult that operates it. So we've got that. Of course, safety check. We've got our gloves. We've got our chainsaw hard hat on. Check this out. It's even got ear protecting muffs on the side. Hey, can you hear me? Oh, yeah, that's perfect. And it's got a face guard too to protect our face from all kinds of debris. Oh, this is gonna be great. All right, so let's get this on here. What we're gonna have to do is slice this tree right from the bottom to the top because of the way it's laying on the ground. We can't go from the top because we might get our chainsaw stuck as the tree falls down. So we've got to go straight up the middle. Oh, this is gonna be great. All right, so you might want to stand back. It's gonna get really loud. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Oh, now, oh, there you go. We've got it cut in half. Now, a really fun part, we get to get in the tractor and push them out the way. Oh, this is gonna be great. Come on, let's go. Oh, So we get to use this tractor to take care of this tree. All right, let's switch our helmets. Close that up, close that up. Perfect. Sit you right there. Perfect. All right, go. Close that. Safety first. Seat belt. Oh, yes. Here we go. All right. Perfect. Oh, this is gonna be great. Let's see here. Probably about right there. I think we got it there. Now, let's go. All right. Perfect. There we go. Oh, it's working. Oh, perfect. There we go. Oh, there it is. Oh, then we're just gonna push it right off to the left here, just like that. All right, let's put it in reverse. Let's go back, and let's get this one. All right, there we go. Well, let's see here. Let's drop our bucket down just a little bit. All right, and forward, here we go. We're gonna push it right off to the side, just like that right there. Oh, perfect. Now, back up a little bit. Oh, wow, that was awesome. All right, let's get going. Oh, yeah. I see a few more up here. Come on. Let's go take care of those two. Oh, yeah. We found another tree. Oh, wow. My friends, look. Look at this tree. This one's gigantic. It's right in the middle of the road too. It's a big pine tree. Yep, let's see. Looks like we might need to trim a few of these branch pieces off. Maybe slice it right here. Push it that way. Push it that way. Oh, and we'll be set. All right, well, let's get this on. And let's get the chainsaw. Oh yes, here we go. All set. You know, I really love working with my chainsaw. Check this thing out. It's awesome. It's got some really amazing parts. Of course, we've got our chain. Yep, and that's what spins around really, really, really fast. Got these really sharp teeth on here, and that's what cuts the wood. And it goes around on the bar. This is the bar right here. Yep. Then we've got this awesome lever right here. This is called the brake. And the brake is a safety measure. Yep. If it ever gets pulled back, it shuts the chainsaw down. Oh, and then we've got our pull string here, and that is what cranks it up. Then we got this lever right here. Yep, and that's the throttle. That's what speeds it up really, really fast. So let's get to cutting, okay? Come on. Always remember, gotta make sure that you have an adult around whenever we're using a chainsaw. All right, let's see here. Safety muffs first on my ear. Can you hear me? Okay, good. All right, let's get our face guard on there. All right, and let's get to cranking. Here we go. Oh, there you go. Hopefully it wasn't too loud for you. Now we've got it cut. Now, just gotta get the tractor. What we're gonna do is gonna push this side out that way. And we're gonna take this one and we're gonna push it that way. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Safety first, seatbelt. All right, here we go. Let's crank this up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna push this log straight forward. Let's drop our bucket down. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's drop our bucket down just a little bit lower. See if we can push it a little bit more. There we go. Come on. This is a heavy tree. This is a heavy tree. Oh, yes. All right, there we go. All right, now, let's go in reverse a little bit. Let's see here. I need to drop it into a lower gear. Let's see if we can push it right off the road. Ooh, this is a heavy tree. Oh, let's see here. There it is. All right, let's keep on pushing. Let's keep on pushing. Let's keep on pushing. We're almost there. We almost got it. There we go. That was great. Let's see. Let's get back a little bit. Let's see, did we get all of it? Oh, I think we got a little bit more debris there. Let's see if we can drop the bucket down a little bit. There we go. And push that debris out the way. That's great. I think we've done an awesome job. Look at there. It looks absolutely awesome. Now, we can continue right on along to the next tree. Come on, let's go. Look at all of this water. We certainly had a lot of rain. Wow, it's so much fun driving through these puddles. Wow, we got another one. Oh, yep. Certainly right across the road. Check that out. You know, it's a little smaller than the other ones. Might not need my chainsaw for this one. Maybe I can take the tractor and go all the way to that side. Maybe I can just push it off the road. Sounds like a great idea, right? Absolutely. Oh, wow. Aren't these tractors amazing? That way I don't even have to use a chainsaw. I can just use this. It's got such an awesome big bucket on it. It'll get the job done, right? You know this tractor runs off of hydraulics? Yep. It moves the bucket up and down. Hydraulics even turn these awesome tires. Wow, some big tires, right? They certainly have helped us get through the mud and all that rainwater today, right? Absolutely. We've got the engine. Oh, come on, let me show you how it works inside. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Got a really awesome comfy seat, right? Really special joystick right here. This joystick is actually what moves the arm and the bucket. Let me crank it up and show you. Here we go. There we go. Perfect. Let's see here. Gotta wait on that beep to stop. Oh, there it goes. See, I can pull back on this lever and it raises the bucket, and I can push down on this lever and it's gonna lower it. Now, whenever I move the lever to the left, watch what happens. Oh, yep. And I can move the lever to the right, and then it dumps the bucket. Oh, isn't that awesome? Oh, yes. And that bucket is what's gonna help us move this tree. All right, well, buckle up here. Always safety first. Yep, okay, let's see here. Got that on there. Now I need to shut the door. And let's move this tree. Come on. All right, I think we got it right here. Here we go. We're gonna drop the bucket down and let's see if we can push it. There we go. It's moving. Wow, this is working perfectly. This tractor is perfect for the job. It's perfect for the job. Almost there. Oh, perfect. There we go. Awesome job. Let's see. Yep, that's awesome. Awesome job. Oh, wow, my friends, we've had such an awesome day today. We've done an awesome job, absolutely. Got to use some really awesome tools today. Got to use our chainsaw. And then of course, this awesome tractor. We got all of the roadways clear. Everything's good to go. Even had some fun driving through some mud puddles today. Oh wow, look at the horses. It looks like they're hungry. Oh, wow, check this out. We've got them some food right here. How you guys doing? Hey. Oh, well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal today. Oh, hold on, I got you. There you go. Yep, you guys were hungry. Always a busy day on the farm, absolutely. Well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal. We'll see you later. Here we go. Oh, perfect.
Cause we're awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, we're awesome, 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 yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. Excuse me. We're awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We'll have fun, me and you. Being awesome's what we do. Cause we're awesome. We're awesome, 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 awesome. We are talking about safety. The handyman will come and help me. It's his #1 priority. Hal is all about that safety. We are talking about safety. Awesome. The handyman will come and help me. Awesome. It's his #1 priority. Awesome. Hal is all about that safety. Awesome. Safety is the name of this here game. Inside my head is one big brain. No protection sounds insane. Tell me there's a way to avoid this pain. Me, oh my, would you look at that? This will help and that's a fact. Let me put on this blue hard hat. What does the handyman think about that? We are talking about safety. The handyman will come and help me. It's his #1 priority. Hal is all about that safety. We are talking about safety. Awesome. The handyman will come and help me. Awesome. It's his #1 priority. Awesome. Hal is all about that safety. Awesome. You learn fast, I'm so impressed. We gotta get to work, time to get dressed. Hard hat check, so what comes next? Let's not forget our high-vis vest. So important to be seen by every last member of this team. Safety first is today's theme. Handyman Hal living the dream. We are talking about safety. The handyman will come and help me. It's his #1 priority. Hal is all about that safety. We We are talking about safety. Awesome. The handyman will come and help me. Awesome. It's his number one priority. Awesome. Hal is all about that safety. Awesome. Two big boots upon my feet, giving high fives to everyone I meet. But now it's time to cross the street, looking both ways to avoid defeat. Every car's gotta stop at the red stop sign. Wait, what does that mean? Can't cross this line. Made it to the other side, feeling fine. Safety first, I'm talking all the time. We are talking about safety. The handyman will come and help me. It's his number one priority. Hal is all about that safety. We are talking about safety. Awesome. The handyman will come and help me. Awesome. It's his number one priority. Awesome. Hal is all about that safety. Awesome. Anytime that you see these cones, remember this is a safety zone. Make sure that you're never alone. Don't wanna get hurt or break any bones. Got two eyes, use them to see. Without them, do not know where I'd be. These safety glasses are what I need to watch Handyman Hal on TV. We are talking about safety. The handyman will come and help me. It's his number one priority. Hal is all about that safety. We are talking about safety. Awesome. The handyman will come and help me. Awesome. It's his number one priority. Awesome. Hal is all about that safety. Awesome. We are talking about safety. Awesome. The handyman will come and help me. Awesome. It's his number one priority. Awesome. Hal is all about that safety. Awesome. We are talking about safety. Awesome. The handyman will come and help me. Awesome. It's his number one priority. Awesome. Hal is all about that safety. Awesome.